In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to text in Microsoft Word tutorial. If you've got a picture or a scanned image with text and you want to turn it into editable words in Microsoft Word, this simple method uses only Word itself, no extra software, and it works best when your image is clear and well lit. Start by opening Microsoft Word and inserting the image you want to convert. Go to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, and select your image. Place it on the page so it's fully visible. A quick tip: if the image is crooked or very low resolution, the results may not be perfect. Centering and resizing it so the text is easy to read can help. Next, we're going to save this document as a PDF. Click File, then Save As, and choose Browse to pick a location. In the Save As type dropdown, change it from Word document to PDF, then click Save. We do this because Word's built-in converter recognizes text best when opening a PDF, even if that PDF started as an image inside a Word file. Now go back to Word and open the PDF you just created. Click File, choose Open, then Browse, and locate that PDF. When you open it, Word will show a message explaining that it's about to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This process may take a moment, especially if the image is large or contains a lot of graphics. Word also notes that the converted document is optimized for editing, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF layout. That's normal, because the goal here is to extract text you can edit. Click OK to continue. Word will process the file and then display the converted document. At this point, the text from your image is now editable. Try clicking and typing. If you can place the cursor within words, the conversion worked. You can fix spacing, adjust fonts, and use tools like spell check to clean up any small recognition errors. If you see elements that look off, such as unusual line breaks or misplaced images, that's usually just formatting from the original picture. And you can delete or rearrange those parts. And that's it. You've converted an image into text using Microsoft Word. Save your document when you're done, so you can return to your newly editable content anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tip.